Feeling weak? Here's the queen of soups, beef bone soup. It's easy to prepare, nutritious, and inexpensive. Rib roast or chuck roll would be the first ingredient. 450 grams would be enough for 4 servings. The other ingredients would be mix of veggies and fruits plus aromatics, bell peppers, bitter melon, carrots. Aromatics would be onions, ginger, turmeric, and garlic. We also use broccoli stems, plum mango, and pear. The carrots are cut into bigger chunks so they can withstand cooking and I can eat them later on. The pear and the plum mango are cut into smaller pieces so they can give more flavor and we can have more nutrients into the soup. You can cut the onions in any way you like, but the bitter melon, the turmeric, and the ginger have to be cut into smaller pieces or slices so they wouldn't taste so bitter. We don't usually cut the small bell pepper. We're ready to start cooking. We put oil into a heated pan. We're using here pressure cooker. When the oil is warm enough, that's when we start sauteing the aromatics. Sauteing the aromatics would make them sweeter and release their flavors into the oil. The rest of the video would be just sounds of the food that we are cooking. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video. So now, just relax and see how easy it is to prepare a beef bone soup enriched with vegetables and some fruits. As I said, this kind of soup is good for people who lack energy and who need some iron.